Hi, this is Sherry Lukey, and this is a tapping audio for feeling grumpy and irritated. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And starting on the side of the hand. Even though I'm feeling so grumpy and irritated. I want to acknowledge it now. Even though I'm feeling so irritated by everything right now. I just want to be left alone. I'm acknowledging it now. Even though I feel so grumpy and irritated. And these feelings are upsetting to me. I want my subconscious to know they are not a threat. Top of the head. I'm feeling so incredibly grumpy and irritated. Eyebrow. I just want the world to go away. Side of the eye. And leave me alone. Under the eye. I don't want to deal with anything. Under the nose. I don't even want to deal with my grumpiness. Under the chin. I don't even like myself right now. Collarbone. I need a break from me. Under the arm. But everywhere I go, there I am. Under the ribs. Is feeling grumpy and irritated familiar for me? Under the wrist. Because according to my subconscious, familiar equals safe. Top of the head. So maybe my subconscious would prefer I stay irritated and grumpy. Eyebrow. Maybe that's why it's so hard to let it go. Side of the eye. To let go of this irritation and grumpiness. Under the eye. What if I could fully acknowledge? Under the nose. That it's okay to be grumpy and irritated. Collarbone. And that it's also okay to let those emotions go. Under the arm. But I get space when I'm grumpy and irritated. Under the ribs. People leave me alone when I'm grumpy and irritated. onto the wrist. But what if I could get time and space? Top of the head. Without having to be grumpy and irritated. Eyebrow. What if I could feel deserving of time and space? Side of the eye. What if I could ask for the time and space I need? Under the eye. Even though it might feel uncomfortable, under the nose. Or even if it might not feel safe for me to ask. On the chin. What if I could know I won't die if I ask for time and space? Collarbone. Because I want to feel better. Under the arm. I want to let go of these negative feelings. Under the ribs. Because I deserve to feel better. Under the wrist. Letting go of this grumpy and irritated feeling. And staying on the wrist. I choose to feel better. And taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be sure that you are tapping twice a day or whenever you feel stressed, so that you can soothe your nervous system and reprogram your subconscious mind. And if you found this audio helpful, please share, because together we can make the world a more peaceful place.